Mercury Insurance Drive Safe Challenge is a hands-on, behind-the-wheel driving clinic designed to better prepare teens to drive. The program was created to reduce teen driver accidents and deaths by providing tips, tools, and information that will help prepare teens for life behind the wheel.
Mercury Insurance, we partnered with the Anaheim Ducks and the CHP to put on an event to teach teens how to drive, and more importantly to include their parents as well, because teen drivers are more susceptible to being in an accident than any other group.
In California, some of the conditions out there on the roads can be a little scary, and those first couple years that a teenager gets behind the wheel is a very important learning period for them.
There you go, wow!
Just not enough driver's ed out there, you know, the 50 hours that the state requires just, you know, gives them the bare minimum. I thought this was a great way for her to get more behind the wheel time.
And there's a lot of great information here, and I think it can only help him be a better driver.
Obviously the hazards that are out there driving around in Southern California, it's a busy place, there's lots of cars. It doesn't rain a lot, but when it does rain, it gets pretty slick on the roads. So there's a lot to learn, and the more the kids know, the better we feel as parents, for sure.
Too often you see something bad happen for the teenage drivers or young drivers overall, and anything what we can do to save those lives and those accidents, it's worth it, and I really feel this is important.
Well, any extra training that these teen drivers can get is certainly beneficial to their growth as a driver.
And around you go. Okay.
If we can help one kid avoid a serious accident, then we're doing our jobs.
The things I learned in there is like the dangers of driving, how dangerous it is, how a car is really not a toy, and how you should probably think twice before going behind the wheel. You're putting your life in hands and whoever's in the car's life in hands, so there's a lot of responsibility.
If we can give somebody just a little bit more confidence behind the wheel of a car at the right time, then you've done something special.